Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sai Homeschool. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So this session is all about GPSTR complete A to Z study guide ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಜನರಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜನರಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ: ಜನರಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷು, ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜು, then educational psychology and child development, health and physical education, value education, computer literacy. Total 150 marks ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ A to Z ಗೈಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಲಿಟರೇಸಿ, ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಗೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್, ಹೈಜಿನಿ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ಮಾರಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲಿಟರೇಸಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರು, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು, MS ಆಫೀಸು, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಸೈಬರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ, ICT in Karnataka education, educational technology, keyboard, shortcut, full forms of A to Z. Then part D ಬಂದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕೀ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಟಾಪ್ 100 ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ A to Z ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ is the 7th largest country by area. There is a 3.29 million square kilometers and the most populous country in the world 2023. It shares borders with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The southern tip is Cape Comorin, that is the Andaman and Nicobar. So that is Iceland's extended South India, that is Indra Point. So how it will be detailed ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Area it will be, so if you come under 32,87,263 square meters, 7th largest in the world. So that is, so physical geography of India. So total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 32,87,263 square kilometers. Then coastline ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 7,516 kilometers including Iceland territories. Then latitudinal extent. So here 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6 Newton. That is, then longitudinal extent 67 degree 7 east to, so that is north to north, here east to east. Then standard meridian 82 degree, that is east. Then northernmost point Indira Pole Point, that is. Then southernmost point Indira Point, that is Andaman and Nicobar. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಲಡಾಖ್, that is eastern most point ಬಂದು Kibutu, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Western most point Sir Creek, that is Gujarat. Then Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Then largest state is Rajasthan. Smallest state in India is Goa. So, two questions only, one compulsory they will ask. Largest state area wise it will be Rajasthan. Smallest state in as in the presence of area wise bandaga Goa. Number of states it will be present 28 states, 8 union territories. Then natural regions and landforms. So Himalayan region, that is the youngest fold mountains, then highest peak in India, that is then Indo Gangetic plain, most fertile and densely populated, formed by alluvial deposits, that is then Deccan Plateau, oldest and largest plateau, triangular and bounded by eastern and western Ghats. Then western Ghats it will be run parallel to west coast highest peak. Then eastern Ghats, that is discontinuous highest Mahendragiri. Mahendragiri. Then Thar Desert, that is Great Indian Desert in Rajasthan, fourth largest hot desert in world. Coastal plains, that is western, narrow, fertile and eastern, wider and major details. Then major rivers of India. So what we studied above, this is completely about geography of India. Then if you come major rivers, Ganga, so it will be Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand, it will be drains into Bay of Bengal. Then it will be largest river in India. It is also called a national river. Then if you come to Brahmaputra, that is Mansarovar Lake, then Tibet it is. Then Bay of Bengal, longest river by volume, flows through Arunachal. So in the rivers only 1, 2, 3 questions compulsory irutte. Yamuna, that is Yamunotri glacier, joins Ganga at Delhi, Prayagraj it will joins. Then second largest and flows through Delhi. Then Godavari, it will be Trimbakeshwar, Maharashtra. This is also, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ second ನಾವೇನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ drains to, that is Bay of Bengal. ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಗಂಗಾ, largest peninsular river. Then Krishna Mahabaleshwara, Maharashtra, Bay of Bengal. Then second longest peninsular river. Then Kaveri, Talakaveri, Kodagu ಅಥವಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, Bay of Bengal. Then Dakshina Ganga, KRS Dam on it. ನರ್ಮದಾ ಬಂದಾಗ Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh, that is Arabian Sea, flows through Rifta Valley, ಅದು west ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Then Tapti, ಅದು Betul, Madhya Pradesh, Arabian Sea, flows westward through Rift Valley. Then Mahanandi, it is Raipur or Chhattisgarh, it is Bay of Bengal. Then Hirakud Dam and it. Indus, that is Mansarovar, Tibet, Arabian Sea, flows through Ladakh and Pakistan. Some extra points and all about the rivers. Then population and literacy. So population, total population, it will be 1.21 billion. So population destiny, it will be 382 persons per square kilometer. That is sex ratio, it will be 940 females per 1000 males. Literacy rate, it will be 74.04% male. So data as per census 2011 it is. Then most literate state, it is Kerala. Least literate state, it is Bihar. Most populous state is Uttar Pradesh. Least populous state is Sikkim. Highest destiny Bihar. Lowest destiny, it will be Arunachal Pradesh. Largest city will be Mumbai. Then food crops and non-food crops. Food cereals crop, it will be rice. Rice, it will be major producing West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Wheat, it will be Uttar Pradesh, ಪಂಜಾಬ್, ಹರಿಯಾಣ, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಜೋವಾರ್, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಬಾಜ್ರಾ, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ and Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. Tur, it is Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. Then Channa, if you come, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and UP. Then sugarcane, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Cotton, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana. Jute, West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Groundnut, it will be Gujarat, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. Tea, Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu. Coffee, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Rubber, it is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Tobacco, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Karnataka. So major industries and public undertakings, it will be iron and steel, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ it will be total steel, Tata Steel, it will be Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. First steel plant in India, ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಐರನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್, it will be ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್, Maruti Suzuki, that will be Gurugram, Haryana. Then ONGs, that is oil and natural gas crop, Mumbai High. Then Gujarat, Assam are the largest petroleum companies. Then ISRO, it will be Bangalore, Karnataka, Indian Space Agency. Then HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics, Bangalore, Karnataka. BEL, it is also Bangalore, Karnataka. BEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals, it is Bhopal, Tirchi, it is. Here, oil refineries, it will be Mumbai, Kochi and Mathura. Nuclear power ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಾರಾಪುರ್. Then Kulam, Tamil Nadu. Kaiga, Karnataka. IT industry ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune. Then textiles ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Mumbai, Surat. Then Ludhiana. Then Panipat. Then cement ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh are the largest producers. Then ancient India ಬಂದಾಗ Indus Valley civilization, it will be century 3000 to 1500 before Christ, that is Harappa ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then Vedic age ಬಂದಾಗ 1500 to 600 before Christ, Rigveda. Then Aryan culture. Then Mahajana Padas, ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 600 321 before Christ. 16 kingdoms. Magadha, most is the powerful in that. Then Mayura Empire, it will be 322 to 185 before Christ. Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka spread Buddhism after this Kalinga war. Then Gupta Empire, it will be 320 to 550 century. Then Harshavardhana, so 1606 647. So if you Gupta Empire ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಏಜ್ ಚಂದ್ರಗುಪ್ತ, ಸಮುದ್ರಗುಪ್ತ, ಆರ್ಯಭಟ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹರ್ಷವರ್ಧನ್ ಏಜ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಂದೂ ಎಂಪೈರ್, ಅದು ತಾಸನ್ ವಿಸಿಟೆಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಚೋಲ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 9th to 13th century, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ನಾವಿ, ರಾಜ ಚೋಲೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1026 1526. 5 ಡೈನಾಸ್ಟೀಸ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಗರ ಎಂಪೈರ್ 1336 and 1565. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಮೊಘಲ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1526 1857, ಅದು ಬಾಬರು, ಅಕ್ಬರು. ದೆನ್ ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್. ದೆನ್ ಶಹಜಹಾನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಹಜಹಾನ್, ಅವರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಘಲ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರು. ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಜಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1757. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಡಿಫೀಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿರಾಜ್ ಉದ್ ದೌಲಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ rule. Then regulating act ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1773, first step towards the British parliamentary control. First War of Independence 1857, that is Sepoy Mutiny, last Mughal Empire of Bahadur Shah Jafar. Indian National Congress founded, that is 1885. Then Partition of Bengal or Swadeshi, it is 1905. Muslim League founded in 1906. Jawaharlal Bagh massacre in 1919. Non-corporation movement, that is 1920 to 22. Simon Commission, it will be 1928. Then Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha, it will be 1930. Gandhi walked 241 miles in this Salt Satyagraha. Round Table Conferences, it will be 1930 to 1932. Gandhi attended second in London. Quit India movement 1942. So Quit India movement is important. Then INA, Indian National Army, it will be 1942 45, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Then Independence 15 August 1947. Then Constitution enforced will be 26 Jan 1950. So that is, then Gandhi is the father of nation, Ambedkar is the father of constitution, Patel Iron Man, then Nehru ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು architect of modern India. So Indian culture and land people. So next, classical dances item, that is Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, Odissi ಬಂದು Odisha, Kuchipudi ಬಂದು Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, then Kathakali, Kerala, then Satriya, Assam. Then classical music, Hindustani, North and Carnatic, South, two major traditions. Folk songs, Bengal, Punjab, Gujarat and Maharashtra, the type of folk music. Then major religions, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikkim, Buddhism and Jainism. Then major festivals, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Dasara, Pongal, Onam, then Baisakhi, then Navaratri. Then UNESCO intangible heritage of India is yoga, Kumbh Mela, Vedic chanting, then Kutiyatham, that is Sankranti theatre, then Rama Leela, then Chow dance, then Durga Puja. Major languages scheduled, it is 22 scheduled languages including Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, Urdu, Malayalam, Punjabi and Odisha. So that is, then if you come to GK general knowledge, Karnataka complete coverage, it will be Karnataka at a glance. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore, also called as Silicon City of India. Then formation of this Karnataka, 1st November 1956, Karnataka Rajyotsav Day. Then renamed as a Mysore State, Karnataka on 1 November 1973. Area, how much it will be present is 1,91,791 square kilometer. 8th largest state in India. Districts, 31 districts. Official language is Kannada. Borders, it will be Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then coastline will be 320 kilometers along Arabian Sea. Largest district is Belagavi, is as per area. Smallest district is Bengaluru urban. Highest literacy rate in this is Dakshina Kannada. Then highest peak is Mullainagiri, that is Chikmagaluru. So state bird, it will be Indian roller. Animal, it is elephant. State tree, it is sandalwood. Then state flower, it is lotus. State song, it is Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, written by Kuvempu. Then first chief minister is K.C. Reddy, 1947 to 19 52. Karnataka's contribution to India's GDP 80%, major IT, aerospace and biotech hub. Then Karnataka history, if you come, Kadamba Kingdom 345 to 525, first native of dynasty. Then Bana, Banavasi, it is capital. Then Ganga's time 350 to 1000. Then South Karnataka, that is Shravana Belagola. Then Chalukyas of Badami 543 to 753. Then Rashtrakuta 753 to 973. Then Western Chalukyas will be 973 to 1189. Then Hoysalas will be 1000 year to 1346 century. Then Vidyanagara Empire, it will be 1336 to 1565 century, then founded by whom? Here it is. Then Bahmani Deccan Sultanates 14th to 16th century. Then Mysore Kingdom 1399 to 1947. Then Hyder Ali 1761 to 1782. Tipu Sultan 1780 to 1799. Merger with India, it is 1947. Karnataka Ekikarana, it will be 1st November 1956. Karnataka geography, rivers, dams and waterfalls, if you come, Kaveri, it is Talakaveri origin. Then Brahmagiri hills and Kodagu. Key features of Kaveri is Dakshina Ganga KRS Dam at Mysuru. Then Shivasna Samudra Falls, life blood of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, we will call. Then Tungabhadra joins at Kudala, that is Sangam of Tunga plus Bhadra. That is Hampi and its banks, Tungabhadra Dam at Hospet. Then Krishna, Mahabaleshwara, Maharashtra. Then Sharavati, Ambu, Tirtha, Shivamogga. Kali, it is Western Ghats, Uttar Kannada. Then Netravati, that is Kudremukha and Chikmagaluru. Malaprabha, Belagavi district. Kataprabha, Belagavi district. Biddi, it is near Hubli, flows into Arabian Sea to Tadri, that is the most important. Kaveri KRS Dam, it is Sharavati Jog Falls. Tungabhadra, it is Tungabhadra Dam, Hampi. Then dams and reservoirs. KRS, the river, it will be Kaveri, it will be found in Mysore district. Kabini Dam, that is Kabini, it is also Mysore. Then Tungabhadra Dam, it is Tungabhadra, Vijayanagara. Then Almatti Dam, Krishna. Then Vijaypura. Narayanapura Dam, it is Krishna, Yadgir. Then Hidkal Dam, Ghataprabha, Belagavi. Then Navilu Tirtha Dam, that is Malaprabha, Belagavi. Then Sharavati, it is Sharavati, Shivamogga district. Supa Dam, it is Kali, Uttara Kannada. Then Karnataka important places and UNESCO sites. Hampi, it is Ballari. Then Pattadkallu, it is Bagalkot. Badami, it is significance you read here. So then Badami, it is Bagalkot. Haihole, Bagalkot. Belur, it is in Asan. Halebeedu, Asan. Then Shravana Belagola, it is in Asan. Then Gol Gumbas, Vijayapura, that is Bijapur. Bidar Fort, Bidar. Mysore Palace, Mysore. Bandipur National Park, Chamrajnagar, that is Nagarhole, Mysuru. Then Kudremukha, it is Chikmagaluru. Then Rani Bennuru, Black Buck Sanctuary, it is in Haveri. Dandeli, Hansi, Tiger Reserve Bandu, Uttara Kannada. Then Talakaveri Wildlife Sanctuary Bandu, Kodagu. Then Karnataka art, culture and literature items, that is Yakshagana, classical folk, theatre, dance, combining music, dance, dialogue, and coastal Karnataka. Then Dollu Kunita, Veeragase, Puja Kunita, Mysuru Dasra. So then details of those things. Karnada Rajyostava, then Ugadi. Then Kambala, then Gombe Yatra, then Janapith Award, Gnanapith Award, Kannada Literature, ಅದು modern, then Haridasa moment, then Vachana moment. So these are some details about these things. Then Karnataka government schemes and project, most important schemes directly asked in GPSTR every year. So you should remember Akshara Dasoha. Then purpose and details of those things. Shira Bhagya, then Anna Bhagya, Vidya Siri, Mahiti, Sindhu, then CLAC schools, computer assisted learning or classrooms, then TALP it is technology advanced and literacy program, staff it is state ask force, then Seva Sindhu, Bhumi Puja, sorry, Bhumi project, online land records, then Sakala scheme, then E Vidya Vahini, Nali Kali, Chaitanya, Sampurna, Arogya Karnataka, PMGSY, the Pradhan Mantri Grama Sadak Yojane, then Rajiv Gandhi Rural Housing Crop, then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Development Crop, and Indira Canteen. So what are the important Karnataka government schemes and projects, most important projects? Then chapter 4, it is Indian Constitution and Governance. So making of Constitution, Constitutive Assembly set up in 1946 under Cabinet Mission Plan. Chairman is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Drafting Committee head is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Adopted on 26 November 1949. Law Day, that is enforced 26 January 1950, that is Republic Day. Longest written constitution in the world. So borrowed futures, that is UK, USA, then Ireland, Australia, Canada, and USSR, France. Fundamental rights and are Articles 12 and 30, 12 to 35. So Article 14, right to equality. Article 15 is no discrimination. Article 16 is fundamental right to equal opportunity. Article 17 is abolition of untouchability. Then 18 bandu abolition of titles. 19 bandu freedom of speech, assembly, and movement. So Article 16 it is protection in criminal matters. So Article 21 right to life and liberty. Article 21A right to free education. Article 22 protection against arbitrary arrest. Article 23 prohibition of human trafficking. Then Article 24 prohibition of child labor. Article 25 to 28 freedom of religion. Article 29 to 30 cultural and educational rights. Article 32 right to constitutional remedies. Right to property removed in 1978 by 44 amendment. Now only 6 fundamental rights will be present. So important constitutional amendments. What are those 4 important constitutional? First amendment is 1951, added 9th schedule restricted FR related to property. 7th amendment 1956, that is 42nd amendment 1976, 44th will be 1978, 52nd will be 1985, 73rd will be 1992, 74th it will be 1992, 86th it will be 2002, 101st amendment will be 2016. It will be introduced GST, goods tax service, in the 2016 in the 101st amendment. 103rd amendment, it is 2019, that is 10% EW reservation in education and jobs. Parliament, executive and judiciary. Lok Sabha, then composition, term it will be, then key facts of Lok Sabha. That is Rajya Sabha, how many elected, how many nominated will be by president, then what is the term of Rajya Sabha, then some keywords. Then president elected by MPs and MLAs, 5 years of term. Then prime minister, leader of majority party in the Lok Sabha. Then Supreme Court, Chief Justice plus up to 53 judges. High Court, each state has one. Then symbol, national symbols of India. National animal is Bengal tiger. It is scientific name Panthera tigris. National bird, it is Indian peacock, that is Pavo cristatus. Then national flower lotus, that is the scientific name Nelumbo nucifera. National tree Indian banyan, that is Physus bengalenus. National fruit mango, it is Mangifera indica. National vegetable is pumpkin. National river is Ganga. National reptile is king cobra. National aquatic animal is dolphin. Then national anthem is Janagana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. National song by Onde Mataram. Then national calendar is Saka calendar. Chaitra is the first month in that. National emblem is lion, capital of Ashoka. Then national currency is Indian rupee. National pledge is written by Paidi Mari Venkata Subba Rao. Paidi Mari Venkata Subba Rao. National game is field hockey. So these about the national symbols of India. Then general science, physics, speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8. So here it will come 10 power 8. Speed of sound is 343 meter per second in air. SI unit of force is Newton. F is equals to MA formula. SI unit of energy is joule. Work is equals to force into distance. SI unit of power is watt. P is equals to work by time. SI unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Then Archimedes principle is upthrust is equals to weight of fluid displaced. Newton's laws, first is inertia, second is F is equals to ma. Force is directly proportional to mass. Then third is action. Every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. Law of gravitation, F is equals to m1 m2 divided by r square. So gravitational force is equals to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Ohms law ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು V is equals to IR. Voltage is equals to current into resistance. Electromagnetic spectrum, radio, that microwave, IR, visible, UV, X-ray and gamma rays. Reflection, angle of incidence and is equals to angle of reflection. Total internal reflection is optical fiber, marriage, diamond, sparkle. Nuclear fission, that is heavy nuclear splits used in nuclear power plants and bombs. Nuclear fusion ಬಂದು light nuclei combined source of sun's energy. Then some important formulas. Water formula is H2O. Then salt is NaCl. Sugar is C12H22O11. Then glucose is C6H12O6. Laughing gas, it is nitrous oxide is N2O. rust, that is rust Fe2O3, then NaHCO3, baking soda, that is also called sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda is sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. Bleaching powder CaOCl, calcium hypochlorite. Plaster of Paris CaSO4 of H2O. So here CaSO4. Acid plus base gives salt and water, that is neutralization reactions. pH scale 0 to 14 it is. Then if it is less than 7 it is acid, it is equal to 7 it is neutral, more than 7 it is a base. We already explained about totally about a chemistry topics in our Sai Homeschool channel. Please go through the more details. Heaviest natural element is uranium, catalyst substance that speeds up reaction without being consumed. Then alloys, it is steel, brass and bronze. So two or more metals. So these are all we explained in our chemistry chapter. So if you come to biology, cell theory, all living things made up of cells. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Types of cells one prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means no cell. Eukaryotic means it has nucleus, that is plants and animals. Cell organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast and ribosomes. Then photosynthesis, chemical reaction is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light gives rise to glucose. Formula above we studied C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Then respiration reaction here C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O and energy we will get it. So these are all we discussed in our channel. So I'll give the link in the comment box. Then DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Then vitamins deficiencies. A, it is night blindness. B1, it is very. C, it is scurvy. R, it is rickets. K, it is poor clotting. Vitamin D, it is sunlight. We will get vitamin D from the sunlight. Blood groups, it is ABO. A, B, AB, O. O is the universal donor. AB is the universal recipient. Then hormones, insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline. So where it will be secretion. Human heart has 4 chambers. That is 2 arteries and 2 ventricles. Then beats, it will be 72 per minute. Pumps 5 liters blood in a minute. Then digestion organs, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Reproductive system, it is sexual reproduction. Meiosis produces gametes. Then ecology levels, organism, population, community, ecosystem and biosphere. If you come to food chain, producer, it primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Study of earthquakes. Seismology, study of fungi is mycology, study of insects is entomology. Then solar system and universe. Mercury first, Venus second, Earth is the third, Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Environment and ecology. Greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು CO2, H2O, N2O, then CH2, then O3. So it is also cause global warming. Ozone layer, it will be present in a stratosphere. It absorbs UV radiation. Then global warming, rising global temperature due to greenhouse effect, ice melting, sea level rise, acid rain. So how it forms? So this, when how it forms means SO2 when it combines with NO2 and H2O, then it gives a H2SO4 and HNO3 acids. Then biodiversity hotspots is Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas and Indo Then Ramsar sites, wetlands of international importance. Then Chipko Moment 1973. Then Narmada Bachao Andolan, that is anti-dam movement. Then Project Tiger is launched in 1973. Project Elephant, it is in 1992. Then Biosphere Reserves, it is Nilagiri and Agastya Malai and Kudremukh. It is present. Then, so chapter 6, Educational Policy and National Schemes. So we will discuss that in the later session. Thank you for watching.